Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Daily DIY Dude channel, where we do DIY dude stuff on the daily. Today I got a real good one for you guys. So since January 1st, we always got to have that New Year's resolution. Well, I've been kind of sticking with mine so far. As of right now, as I'm recording this video, it's February 1st. So I've been on a diet for the last month. I've lost close to right at 21 pounds so far. And I'm going to show you guys a bunch of the stuff that I've been eating to lose this weight. It really all comes down to just eating right, guys. So stay tuned. This first recipe is going to be the pizza that I eat pretty much like every day. This whole pizza is less than 500 calories. So let me show you guys how I make it. All right, guys. So this pizza is probably the simplest thing you've ever made. It's really easy. What I would suggest is go ahead and preheat in your oven to 450 degrees. And I do use a pizza stone. I don't know if you have to. I haven't made one without it. So my suggestion would be get a pizza stone. So I'm showing you guys everything that I use in my recipe right here. And it will also be in the description of the video. So let's get into this and I'll show you guys exactly how we make this. Don't forget that kitchen scale. So the first thing you want to do is take your pita. This is just a flatbread that most people use wraps. I like to coat the outside edge with olive oil. You can use avocado oil. I use both. I think this right here is olive oil. Just put a little bit on the outside edge just to get it coated. And then what we're going to do is we're going to weigh your pizza sauce. I like to use either the Classico or the Rios. And I like to use a tomato basil just to give it a little extra taste. And I really like margarita pizza, so kind of reminds me of that. But what you want to use on the big pitas is 125 grams. Yeah, so you basically want to spread it out evenly over top of your crust. Bada boom, bada bing. Then what you want to do is you want to come in with some pepperonis. And also, guess what, guys? That's turkey pepperoni, and you can't even tell the difference. But then you want to weigh out 84 grams of cheese. I like to use fat-free cheese. This right here is actually skim milk cheese because I couldn't find any fat-free cheese. It's very hard to find for some reason, but 99% of the time I use fat-free mozzarella cheese, and you cannot tell the difference from fat-free to whole milk. I'm telling you. I promise. So anyway, spread that cheese on evenly, and this is just a basic pepperoni and cheese pizza. Once your oven gets up to 450 degrees, go ahead and pop that bad boy in there. All right, guys, now that thing's in the oven, we're going to cook this pizza for exactly 5 minutes and 20 seconds. That gives it the perfect crust, gives it everything. Tastes phenomenal, I'm telling you. So this is what it looks like after 5 minutes and 20 seconds, guys. All right, guys, so that's it. It's really that simple. If you just follow the ingredients and the recipe that I have in the description, you guys can make this pizza yourself. And with the fat-free cheese, this thing is under, I think it's right at 430 calories. I mean, it really does fill you up. Has a real, that wheat flatbread has a really nice taste to it. And I'm telling you guys, just give it a shot. You'll like it. I just want to thank you guys who've made it this far for staying tuned and watching the video. Maybe you can consider liking and subscribing the video, sharing the video if you know somebody who would enjoy this recipe and likes pizza like I do. It's really good, guys. I really want you guys to give this one a shot. Like I said, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.